What's up, everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro FRS, and I'm your driver, Lovens Presume. I can't tell you enough how excited I am today. Shout out to 86 Speed. I ordered it on Monday, and it was already at my door on Thursday. Today's Thursday, yeah. So it was already on my door at Thursday, perfect condition, ready to go, ready to get mounted on the car. I never did a mod like this before. I think my old EK sedan, I did like cosmetic mods, you know, wheels and tires of course, but it's gonna be fun because not only does it change how the car sounds, but it will help with performance wise in the long term. So I can't wait to head over to NLG Performance, hang out with my boy Noel. We're gonna knock it out and we're gonna show you the results. I went with a 3-inch exhaust because I plan on turboing the car in the future, so might as well get the right part now so I don't have to buy it again in the future. So it's gonna be a good experience. I can't wait for you guys to see it, and stay tuned for that. My neighbors might not like me as much, but that's all good. It's gonna sound incredible. Let's make some noise. The first official startup. This is a moment. I'm a little scared, bro.
This is gonna blow out fire.
That's how you know it's right.
Right.
That's not technically a cold start. Technically, it's still cold. It's still warm, kind of. I don't think it's not cold. I'm ready. The red is the way I really want to know because I wanted it to be.
So was it quiet? The old one?
It was so quiet.
You can't hear it?
It sounded like a Prius, man.
Oh
It
snap!
sounded like the hybrid that you.
Stop it! So this is the first time you really hear some bass to it.
Yeah.
Holy snap!
I liked it though.
Now I know it sounds. Oh yeah, the muffle got deeper. Yeah. Now it's getting warm.
Oh, here we go. You already did the run down. Alright, I guess I'll just try regular now, right? I know you guys hear that. It sounds crazy, and I'm just so happy. Like, you guys don't even know. We got more planned for the car, but it's gonna take some time, you know. But I'm always gonna try pushing this channel. Always gonna try pushing this build. I appreciate everybody that's been supporting. I see you guys sharing the videos, you know, liking and commenting. I love the response. I love talking to you guys. So keep doing that. We're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep building it together. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys.